Welcome to the World Art Branding Conclave presents the Neena Singh Show. I'm sure all of you are healthy, happy, and enjoying your Sunday. Today we have with us an Indian abstract painter based in Mumbai, for whom I can say age is just a number. He is a passionate, lively artist who loves to spend his time painting and sculpting in his studio. He belongs to a family of great artists, and since childhood he looked up to his aunt Amrita Shergill, one of the greatest women artists in modern Indian art. He specializes in distorting the landscapes to abstraction and blending various styles to create impressive canvases. He has a cheerful disposition reflected through his art. The vibrant colors, use of texture, and sense of composition are all in harmony in his paintings. Though art was not his subject in college, art entirely drowned him. Let's meet Sri Satyajit Shergill, an eminent artist and a proud father of ace actor Jimmy Shergill. Sri Satyajit Shergill has a fascinating art journey with his signature style, in which color itself is the main subject. He is one of the leading contemporary artists and sculptor whose primary focus is to discover esoteric aspects of colors and their combination with texture. A spontaneous creator, painting comes all of a sudden to him without prior planning. As a content person, he enjoys painting or rather playing with colors like a child. In the initial years, he spent quite some time painting figurative, influenced by his aunt Amrita Shergill. He subsequently started distorting figures and landscapes to abstraction and blending various styles to create impressive canvases. The paintings are an emotional outburst inspired by inner realization, which allows his creativity to spill on the canvas, making his paintings different from the other contemporary artists. He loves doing abstract paintings based on optical characteristics of brilliant colors that are so dynamic that they function as the form. His paintings convey a strong emotional or expressive content through abstraction. His art incorporates a variety of styles. Rather, he hates being bound to a specific style or genre. Working with acrylic medium, due to his spontaneity in use and the humid weather, which restricts oil use, he is now experimenting with gold colors to give it a rich feel. He enjoys participating in various art festivals and takes joy in company of other artists. He is very appreciative of artworks by other artists. The best part is, he is still active as an artist and working in his studio as a daily ritual. नमस्कार सर, वर्ल्ड आर्ट ब्रांडिंग कॉन्क्लेव प्रेजेंट्स द नीना सिंह शो में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. We are highly privileged and extremely excited to have you in our show.
Thank you very much, Neena.
कैसे हैं सर आप?
That's very nice. Nice to be with you and to enjoy an interview with you. That is very, very interesting. And
It's a privilege, sir. Sir, please tell us about your childhood. How did your art journey begin?
my childhood, when how art came into my life. Well,
Yes,
I
sir.
was
Yes,
studying
sir.
in the Government College in Lucknow, and over there it so happened it was a very good institute, and Mr. G.W. Davidson was our principal over there. And I used to do a lot of drawing with the teachers. There was Mr. Janki Saran there and Mr. I Das. These were two great watercolorists and teachers from that institute. And I went on doing a lot of drawing. Then I was connected with my farm, which was in Gorakhpur, and I used to travel from Lucknow to Gorakhpur. I used to come to Gorakhpur, and I used to be on my farm where I was mostly with my sketchbook, and I
Okay.
used to do a lot of sketches because there were laborers working and all these people in the fields and here and there. So I was getting a good chance to do the drawing of the laborers working in the fields and all. And this is how my life with art began. This is just how it began because I was not a student of any institution. I was it was somewhere when I had passed my tenth that
Yes, sir.
my father told me to join the JJ School of Arts Bombay, and he asked me to send an application. I sent an application also, but that too somehow fizzled out because nothing happened, and I never came this side. And, my certificates and all were sent here, but it so happened that gradually I was doing my BA in Gorakhpur University, and I met some art teachers over there. There was Jitendra Kumar ji from Shanti Niketan. He was the head of the department of the Gorakhpur University art department, and he was a sculptor who was doing wood carving. So we became very friendly. I started respecting him a lot for the amount of work that he used to do. So he started calling me to his place, and from the farm I used to go to Gorakhpur, and with my hammer and chisel and all in my bag, I used to travel in the train and go to Jitenji's place where I used to work with him. He used to work on his sculpture, I used to work on my sculpture. And this is how it developed, and I developed the taste of doing wood carving, for
Okay.
which later on the UP government, sometime I think it was in 64, they gave me an award also. Lalit Kala Academy gave me an award. But that was very, very encouraging. And uh, it was on my mother and child sculpture. So now the thing is that my uh, I was not forced to do anything. I was a free man, a free artist. Wherever I went, I met people, I met artists, I uh, introduced myself, and they became very friendly with me. We would sit for quite a long time in the coffee house in Lucknow in Hazratganj, where the artists all used to sit together, and they used to have conversations and all. There was Ranveer Singh Bisht ji, who became the
Okay.
principal of the government art college, Lucknow, and we had become very friendly. He was a very nice person. Then his younger brother, he was a sculptor. He became very friendly, and gradually it was the art in me was developing, because of my rapport with these people who were in the art world. And that is affecting me even today.
After shifting to Mumbai, it would have been quite a change for you. How challenging it was to adjust in the fast moving metro city. What was your experience as an artist?
Because here in Bombay also, since I have come, I am mostly friendly and related to certain artists over here, like Ghanshyam Gupta, Ramji, and Soniji. They were all very cooperative towards me, and I have felt very comfortable in their company, and they have helped me a lot. Also, like introducing me to very good people who are making canvases, and selling them. So I was introduced to the best people who are doing this canvas work, and they were bringing canvases for me to paint. So it was a very cooperative type of effort I went through. And
Okay.
now even I have a small little room in Juhu. It's a small room where I keep my colors, my paints, and my canvases. And over there I go every day from my son's place here in Juhu, and he goes for his shooting. He's Jimmy Shergill, uh, the actor, and so life has become, I would say, uh, very nice, and I'm happy with myself, and I'm happy with the people of Bombay and the artists and all, everybody. I really like this place very much. Actually, there is a certain size in which I have done my paintings. I had
Okay.
a very interesting show in Leela recently,
Mm-hmm.
which
Yeah.
did reflect a lot of my work. And in the same way, I uh, I am now, trying to increase the size of my painting so
Okay.
that I can
Okay.
put bigger paintings in the
Mm-hmm.
exhibition.
Other than Amrita Shergilji, which artist influenced you the most?
When I started painting in oils in Sardar Nagar, Gorakhpur, under the guidance of these people, it was an experience in oils, and I was very much uh, affected by my aunt Amrita Shergil because her drawings were very good. I was seeing her original sketches in Sardar Nagar in the house they were kept. I used to bring that sketchbook to my farm, and in the farm, I used to sketch from her sketches. I
Okay.
was learning that way. So this was my style of working, and then paintings too. I was seeing paintings of her style, but I was going to the village, making my own sketches and doing my own work, and then bringing those sketches and doing my paintings on the farm. So this is how it all
Okay.
developed, and now here in Bombay I have felt that, of course, since quite some time, I have felt that the change must come. We all need a change. And from the paintings of Amrita Shergill, the style, her style, and Modi Giuliani's style, and what is it called, Paul Gauguin's style, all these people's style, I changed to a different style, which I call my own. That is a very simple fact that I want the colors to do everything on the canvas. This
Okay.
is my thought of creating a painting. But
Okay.
I don't emphasize. on particular lines or particular this thing. It is color that is creating everything. The lines, the form, and all that is being created by the different colors and different tones. So this is how it is done, and I have started from Modi Giuliani and Renoir and artists like all these people, Amrita Shergill and all. I have started now going towards Picasso and what is it called, Pollock, the artist Pollock. And at the moment, what is coming into my mind a lot is Turner. I'm very fond of
Okay.
Turner. So I
Okay.
want to start the colors and the effect in the paintings of very much of Turner. Turner and I mean, I want to play with color on canvas. That is just what I want to do. I don't want to uh, give a history of uh, perspective and this and that, and like all sorts of things. I'm not keeping that much in mind. I'm keeping it, but not that much. I'm trying to get out of that thing and put myself like it's something like what somebody did in China or in Japan or some place. There was an artist who asked the people to play the violin in his studio, and he got some naked women and asked them to dip their bodies into color in the tubs, and then he used to bring them out, and the canvas was laid in the room. It was on the ground, and they were rolled onto the canvas.
Okay.
And this man became very, very famous. He became one of Paris's best. I'm forgetting his name, but he was a very, very good artist. So, in the same way, like we have our life to spend. So, why not try to spend it in such a manner in which we can bring in something different, bring in something new, something which people may start appreciating more, and it's something which we keep on enjoying.
Very
So this
true.
is
Very
what I
true.
think about art,
So
and
now we can say that your style of painting is abstraction. You have gone through a process of realism and then you have moved to abstraction. So how do you work? You work simultaneously on several paintings or you work one painting at a time?
no, I work on one painting at a time, but
Okay.
sometimes it has happened that I have been working with acrylics. Paints are acrylics. So I have been working on certain paintings, and I tend to work quite fast. So if I have done work on a certain painting, sometimes it so happens that my colors are more. So the colors are there. I make some smaller paintings, which I do like 2 or 3 paintings together.
Okay.
That is there, but that I do because of the colors. The colors are there. I mix more colors, different colors, put them onto the canvas, and I start painting. But that is only done rarely. It is not done always. It's not. I do paint sometimes 2 or 3 paintings together.
Okay. So are you doing sculptures now also? Sculptures? You are making sculptures now also?
It's like this that sometimes it so happens that I go to Ghanshyam's place. Ghanshyam Gupta, my friend, I go to his
Mm-hmm.
studio, and over
Mm-hmm.
there sometimes it happens that some artists get together and they start working in clay to do the some fiber work.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
that we sometimes do, but it's not regular. regular this thing. I like to work in sculpture. It's not that I do small things and all.
सर कोई ऐसी मेमोरी जो आपके दिल के बहुत करीब है?
देखिए मेरे दिल के करीब तो करीब करीब सभी कुछ है, काफी कुछ है, मगर ये है कि वो पीरियड जो मैंने जितेंद्र जी जो मेरे गुरु थे उनके साथ जो पीरियड स्पेंड किया वो भी बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग पीरियड था और अच्छा था। अपने कॉलेजेस में, स्कूल में और वैसे भी आर्ट वर्ल्ड में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लोग मुझे मिले हैं, बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग आर्टिस्ट मिले हैं। अभी मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया गया था अपने लड़के के पास कुछ दिनों के लिए। बहुत ही अच्छे पेंटर आर्टिस्ट फ्रेंड बने मेरे और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा वर्क भी किया और मैं उनके साथ बहुत हिल मिल गया, बहुत ही दोस्ती हो गई हमारी उनकी। और वो अक्सर अपनी पेंटिंग्स मेरे सामने बनाया करते थे। फिर ये था कि उस जगह के आर्ट को देखना, ये आर्टिस्टों के साथ ही जाते थे हम लोग, अक्सर एग्जीबिशन में जाते थे और जगह जाते थे। कई जगह ऐसा होता था कि एक आध कैंप होते थे तो उसमें भी मुझे बुला लेते थे, कहते थे सर यू ऑल्सो कम, यू ऑल्सो डू सम पेंटिंग एंड ऑल। तो उसमें थोड़ा सा आई थिंक $20-30 लोग देते थे, यू नो, लाइक ए सॉर्ट ऑफ a collection. But it was very nice, it was very interesting to learn and to meet artists, a lot of artists and all that. That was a very interesting period. And uh, actually this is those people who have not learned art in institutes and institutions, it is only these things that help them. These are the things, this getting together and art and movement here and there and talking about art. I have been very, very fond of talking. I mean, I can discuss with all people and all that.
वेरी ट्रू। सर जैसे अभी लॉकडाउन का पीरियड रहा तो आप स्टूडियो नहीं जा पाते थे, तो आपने इस पीरियड को कैसे स्पेंड किया? आर्ट से रिलेटेड क्या कुछ नया एक्टिविटीज किया? हाउ डिड यू स्पेंड योर टाइम इन दिस पीरियड?
Yeah, that I can. You know, actually, I don't do watercolors. I haven't done watercolor. I haven't learned watercolor. But yes, during this very period, I started some watercolor work, and I have got it here. And if you want
प्लीज
to
सर,
see it,
प्लीज।
I can show it.
श्योर श्योर, प्लीज दिखाइए ना, जरूर जरूर।
ये अभी कंप्लीट नहीं है, वैसे इनमें सब में कुछ ना कुछ काम करना है और मुझे बिल्कुल भी इसका वाटर कलर का प्रिंसिपल या वो सब चीजें, जैसे मैंने आपसे एक बार शायद पूछा भी था कि
जी जी
उसमें
जी,
आप
हाँ
कुछ वो
जी।
कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, तो वैसे बस शौक उठा और शौक
अरे वाह,
से
बहुत सुंदर है।
समझ
इसको देखकर लगता नहीं है कि आप वाटर कलर पहली बार यूज कर रहे हैं, बहुत सुंदर है।
समझ लीजिए कि मैंने इधर ही शुरू किया वाटर कलर और
जी,
शौक है, बस और कुछ नहीं है ये बेसिस का, बस और कोई
आपने
चीज
रखा भी बहुत
नहीं बना।
अच्छे से है,
जी हाँ।
बहुत अच्छे से रखा भी है आपने।
हाँ,
तो सर आप आजकल तो लैंडस्केप्स कर रहे थे, तो फिगरेटिव फिर से करने लगे आप? बहुत सारा काम किया आपने लॉकडाउन पीरियड में?
हैं?
लॉकडाउन पीरियड में बहुत
जी हाँ,
सारा काम
काफी
किया?
काम किया। नहीं, मतलब करता ही रहता था कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ।
वाह, बहुत सुंदर, वाह।
अभी मैं कल ही बात कर रहा था कुछ आर्टिस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं मेरे अपने,
जी
ये जो स्कल्पटर भी हैं बहुत फेमस।
जी जी। वाह,
ये भी देख लीजिए।
बहुत सुंदर। इन आर्टवर्क्स
है
में लेकिन थोड़ी झलक में दिख रही है, अमृता शेरगिल जी की भी थोड़ी झलक दिख रही है मुझे इसमें।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो दिखता होगा।
जो लैंडस्केप्स है आपके वो बहुत अलग है, पर ये वाला जो स्टाइल है, आप फिर से अपना जो बचपन वाला है वो फिर से आ गया आपका ये वाले वर्क में।
हाँ
बहुत सुंदर सर, बहुत। और सबसे बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन की बात ये है कि आप अभी भी रेगुलर काम करते हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी चीज है।
असल में मैं आपको दिखाता, या मैं भेजूंगा आपको तस्वीरें,
जी
तो मैंने पेंटिंग जो बनाई है वहाँ स्टूडियो में,
जरूर जरूर
उनकी
सर,
भेजूंगा।
प्लीज जरूर उनकी फोटोज आप जरूर शेयर करिएगा। और सर, हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए मैं आपसे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग से पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी। सो अगले जन्म में आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहेंगे या कुछ और?
मैं बनने चाहूंगा आर्टिस्ट, मैं जरूर
अच्छा,
बनने चाहूंगा। और मैं चाहूंगा कि कुछ और बड़े बड़े काम कर पाऊं, समझे आप,
आप
जैसे
अभी भी।
शौक है बड़ी, तो
वाह,
वो सब करने के लिए अ, जन्म तो मांगूंगा जरूर।
आपका फेवरेट कलर?
देखिए ऐसा है कि मेरा फेवरेट कलर जो है, कलर्स हैं, मतलब कलर नहीं होगा, मगर जैसे मेरा जो कलर है वो रेड ज्यादा है। रेड के डाइवर्शंस और वो सब थोड़ा उसमें एक तरह से टोनल करके उसमें और मिला मिला के, और उसके अलावा जो फेवरेट कलर्स हैं वो ग्रीन है, ब्लू है, रेड है, सब मतलब काफी हैं,
सारे कलर फेवरेट है
इंटरेस्टिंग है।
आपके। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
मगर
कलरफुल है
ये है
बिल्कुल
कि
आपका।
एक 50 बाई 50 का कैनवस मैंने स्टूडियो में लगाया है,
अच्छा,
50 इंचेस बाई 50।
बहुत बड़ा।
और हाँ, तो उसमें मैं सिल्वर, ब्लैक एंड रेड से करना चाहता हूँ। हाँ,
आपने कलर
सिल्वर,
स्कीम
ब्लैक
सोच
एंड
लिए?
रेड। कलर्स, जी हाँ, कलर्स मैं लूंगा, लाऊंगा। और वैसे पेंटिंग तो है, मैंने अभी एक रिसेंटली एक पेंटिंग काफी बड़ी, 5 फीट बाई 3 फीट की एक अपने सन जिमी शेरगिल के लिए बनाई है, वो उनकी
वाह,
ड्राइंग रूम में लगी है। मगर
ओके।
ये है कि मैं उसकी फोटोग्राफ आपको भेज दूंगा और आप
जी जी।
देखिएगा, वो डिफरेंट पेंटिंग है, बहुत ही डिफरेंट। वो माउंटेन है, गोल्डन माउंटेन,
अच्छा,
ऐसे तो सोने के रंग के माउंटेन पहाड़।
माउंटेन्स हैं।
तो
वाह,
हाँ, तो वो दिया थोड़ा सा,
आप
वैसे
फोटो
मैं
जरूर
भेजूंगा
भेजिएगा।
आपके पास।
सर, आपका फेवरेट फूड क्या है सर?
खाने में तो दाल रोटी खाता हूँ मैं, ज्यादा पसंद है, क्योंकि मैं मीट तो खाता नहीं, मैं
अच्छा,
फिश खाता नहीं, मैं
ओके।
अंडा खाता नहीं, ये चीजें छोड़ी हुई हैं, ये तो मैं खाता नहीं। बहुत पहले का छोड़ा, सालों का, कम से कम 30-40 साल हो गया हो।
जी।
और बढ़िया सब्जी बनी हो और दाल हो, फुल्का हो, बस यही हमारी है।
आपकी फेवरेट फिल्म एक्ट्रेस कौन है सर?
फेवरेट फिल्म एक्ट्रेस, मुझे एक्ट्रेसेस में पहले पहले समय की कुछ एक्ट्रेसेस थी, इधर खास नहीं, मतलब कोई बहुत फेवरेट नहीं है, मतलब सभी
नहीं तो
अच्छे हैं।
पुराने वाले में से बताइए ना।
पुराने वाले में से तो मुझे मुझे नरगिस बहुत,
जी
जो राज कपूर के साथ एक्ट करती थी,
जी जी
तो
जी।
उनकी कुछ फिल्में, बरसात, तो बड़ी अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में थी। आज ही मैं देख रहा था, अभी भी लगी हुई है इसके ऊपर टीवी पर, वो सिकंदर। सिकंदर में मेरा ख्याल है वो पृथ्वीराज कपूर वो थे, और एक आध और थे, वो शौकियाना है, बस अपना चलता रहता है। और मुझे वैसे शौक बहुत है, इस वक्त मैं प्लेस ज्यादा देख रहा हूँ।
जिमी के अलावा आप किसकी फिल्म देखते हैं एक्टर्स में? अपने बेटे की फिल्म के अलावा आप किसकी फिल्म देखते हैं?
देखिए, उनकी फिल्म तो खैर देखते हैं, वो तो देखते ही हैं, मगर ये है कि वैसे जो एक्टर्स हैं उनमें सलमान खान है,
और आपकी लाइफ
ज्यादा
का
उन्हीं को
बेस्ट
देखता हूँ।
मोमेंट?
वैसे मुझे आर्ट वाले जो हैं, आर्ट मूवीज जो हैं, वो
वो
ज्यादा
अच्छी
पसंद
लगती
है।
है।
आर्ट
ओके
मूवीज
ओके।
जो क्रिएट होती है, उनको
जी।
मैं ज्यादा एंजॉय।
आपके लाइफ का बेस्ट मोमेंट सर?
और मोमेंट्स नाइस एंड गुड, फाइन, दे स्टिल नाइस,
वेरी
आई
कंटेंटेड, बड़ी
स्टिल एंजॉय।
अच्छी चीज है आपसे सीखने को मिली कि लाइफ में हमेशा कंटेंटेड रहना चाहिए।
जी हाँ, संतुष्ट रहना चाहिए। और वैसे मेरे विचार कुछ थोड़े भिन्न हैं कि प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट नहीं होनी चाहिए। जैसे पॉलिटिक्स में हुआ, इधर हुआ उधर हुआ, कई जगह बसे, ये सब जो हो रहा है वो अच्छा नहीं है। इट इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड थिंग।
जी
एंड
जी।
एक हमारे साथ जो ये चल रहा है, ये जो बीमारी का, तो
हाँ
ये अच्छा नहीं है। ये काफी कुछ हैम्पर कर रहा है हम लोगों को। हम
बिल्कुल।
हमारी मूवमेंट को हैम्पर करता है, हमारे खाने पीने को हैम्पर करता है, बहुत
जी।
सी चीजें हैम्पर।
पर बेस्ट पार्ट है ना, क्रिएटिव लोग अपनी और क्रिएटिविटी इस पीरियड में सबसे ज्यादा दिखा रहे हैं।
हाँ, ये
आपने
बात
देखिए,
तो है, ये मैंने देखा
आपने
है।
देखिए कितनी
क्योंकि
सारी नई
मैंने,
चीजें बनाई।
जी हाँ, जी हाँ, मैंने देखा है। ये अपने कई आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनका ग्रुप भी है, कई लोग हैं, पीरियड में लोगों ने बहुत काम किया।
जी। आपने भी तो बहुत सारा काम किया है।
हाँ, नहीं, हाँ किया है काफी, मतलब करता तो रहता हूँ मैं। असल में हमसे जब तक हम कुछ कर न लें पेंटिंग में, जब वो, तो तब तक हमें चैन सी नहीं आती है। अब
जी
देखिए,
जी
इस वक्त हम अभी अपना ये आपके इंटरव्यू के खत्म होने के बाद, उसके बाद कुछ टाइम हम निकालेंगे, स्टूडियो जाएंगे, और वहाँ पेंटिंग एक हम कर रहे हैं जो कि डिफरेंट टाइप की है, सेमी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट है। और उसको मैं बना रहा हूँ, मगर अभी मैंने उसको कंप्लीट नहीं किया, कंप्लीट करना है, उसमें काफी कुछ काम करना।
आर्ट के अलावा क्या चीज अच्छा लगता है?
देखिए, ऐसा है कि जब नॉर्मलसी हो और वक्त अच्छा हो, तो
जी
मुझे बड़ा शौक है कि मैं अपने घर से निकलूं और कुछ थोड़ा आर्ट वर्ल्ड में घूमूं, टाउन में जाऊं, टाउन में गैलरीज में जाके जरा देखूं, वर्क देखूं। कुछ जो मेरे मित्र हैं, मित्रगण को, आर्टिस्टों के साथ, अगर यहाँ से आर्टिस्ट जाएं तो मैं उनके साथ मिलूं, वहाँ डिस्कस करूं। हम लोग अक्सर कॉफ़ी वॉफ़ी पीते हैं, बातें करते हैं, आर्ट के बारे में विचारधारा
जी
बताई जाती है, सब लोग आप अपना एक्सचेंज ऑफ थॉट्स होते हैं। तो इट इज़
जी।
वेरी वेरी interesting. I enjoy moving around with artists, painting, creating, and doing all sorts of works.
Sir, this was an amazing conversation and thank you so much for joining us. I wish you good health and happiness
Thank you
and keep on
very much.
painting, painting and
Thanks a lot.
painting forever.
Thank you very much. So nice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Wonderful.
so much. Namaskar, sir.
God bless you. God bless you.
Friends, this was Satyajit Shergill, a true inspiration for all those who think that they have aged and they should retire. A creative person never retires. This is Neena Singh signing off till we meet again with a new artist and new story. Till then, stay safe and happy painting to all of you. Good night and thank you.